Welcome back. Well, Batman is very unimpressed with security here, so I guess we'll just have to find another way in. You know, it's not like we just got a new gadget that they want us to use to get into the building again. Like, actually, I think this is the only other area that you get into via the
Yeah, I can't believe man just left.
Yeah, stinking coward limped off with a cape between his legs. Tried to come through and take him on. He wouldn't stand a chance.
Yeah, me too. I'd rip his head off and give it to Joker for a paperweight.
Always sucking up to the boss.
What's that supposed to mean?
You heard me.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep, just left. But I'm back. Found a new cool way in. No, that's not what I wanted to do. This is what I wanted to do. Yep, just rip that grate off. Yeah, we can't. Actually, you can't get in here yet. You just have to back claw your way up there. Or, I guess that's not a back claw. I don't know what that is. They don't really tell you.
New brick, metal and paint covered old wounds. Fresh blood was injected into the body. Bright new minds came, and all swore to uphold our promises. We all knew we were the ones to fix this city, and the city would thank us.
Joker here with a little update for you all. Here's the good news. We have Dr. Young. Bad news, she's not talking. She's hidden a document somewhere in the mansion. I want it found. I got a plan or six to loosen her tongue, but in the meantime, search every cook and granny. There's a prize for whoever finds them.
I need to find those notes before Joker does.
You sound mad. Hurry up and find it. Prize, huh? Last prize I gave out cost my buddy his legs. Joker was after for hours. It could be anywhere. Shut up! Just keep looking!
Yeah, that guy is not going anywhere anytime soon. Jesus. No, it's just you.
Another one? Can it be? No, there's no way. You can't find them all. It's impossible.
Yep, impossible. Yeah, it's great, especially late game when some of them are super easy, but freaking out because you've already found like a majority of them. Oh. That's not where I wanted to go.
Thank the Lord! I thought you'd have found that 1 hours ago.
Yeah, hours ago when I haven't been here at all. Is there... Oh yeah, it's in here.
Patient interview 1. Patient was referred to me after the incident with Dr. Murphy. He appears to have suffered a breakdown of sorts. I believe it was brought about after the loss of his wife and child. As yet, the patient has been unable to speak. Continued observation shows little mental activity. It's as if the shock of what he saw triggered his mental collapse.
There's someone in here! It's him. We found him. Break down the door!
Note to self. As ever, it is difficult to continue my research under such conditions.
Step away from Dr. Combs. Now, get down on the ground. We found them. Someone get a medic. Oh, God, what's he done to him?
I mean, I don't know. Scarecrow. Do a lot of shit to him. Guess we go through here.
We're in control. Where did she go? Answer me!
Ah,
I said I
yes.
don't know. She could be anywhere. Are you looking at us?
This.
Are you?
The newest and greatest in Joker technology.
What's that collar do? Why is it making that noise?
It's the suicide collar, but it sounds weird.
Suicide collar?
Well, they've got some other name, but, well, we just use them to monitor patients' heartbeats. If it drops too low, the alarm goes off and a crash team rushes in.
And so does my crew if you trigger one. How do you like them apples, bats? Standing around in the... let's see... the West Wing. They'd be there now if they weren't busy knocking a little sense into cash. I'll tell you what. I won't spoil the surprise and let them know you're coming.
Nothing in there. Nothing in here.
Cash is in the next room. Sounds like he's taking a beating. We better help him.
I'll take care of it. You stay here.
Well, unfortunately, your name is Guard. So, the odds of you living through the night is looking pretty grim.
Hit him again! Harder!
Why, you? Get Joker on the radio. Tell him he's not talking.
Tell us where the bitch went.
Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you say.
Sure you will. Harley Quinn is on her way up here soon. She knows ways to loosen your...
You guys may want to have a look on the walkway. I think someone left you a gift.
That makes these so much better.
Anyone got a way out of this? We gotta find him or we're next. You hear me?
Not anymore. Stay silent and I'll be back.
Leave him here. Run out and find us out.
Already got half of them.
Coming with you.
You guys may want to have a look on the walkways. Someone left you a gift.
You heard the boss.
As they run into their guy on the ground. No! They just don't care about him. Oh. Oh. Is he gonna see me? No.
Joker was right. Found someone. Wake up.
Okay.
Batman, can you hear me? Show yourself. Who reads this stuff anyway?
Batman's taken out one of your crew. Did you even notice?
You heard Joker. Hey, get off me! Ah!
Easy. I just punched him in the nuts.
Batman, we're tied up. Need help.
Shut up.
Over here.
Yeah. Give me a minute.
Thanks.
Where did Dr. Young go?
I told her to run. These guys came in looking for her. I told her to go to her office and hide.
Does she keep her records there?
I guess. She was pretty desperate to get in there. Her office is over there.
How long ago was this? I need to find her notes before Joker gets his hands on them.
20 minutes, maybe more. What's so important about the notes?
Joker wants them. That makes them important. Stay here. I'm going to find her.
Not a problem. I'll try the radio, see if anyone else is around.
Thanks for the help back there.
Hello? Central Control.
Think. Oh, it's just tape.
Patient interview 6. Dr. Crane has been back in custody for 3 weeks. Regular sessions have been inconclusive. I am not sure he is actually insane.
Good evening, Stephen. How are you tonight?
I'm conducting the session, Jonathan.
Of course. If that helps you cope, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Let's talk about the events 3 weeks ago. What did you think you'd achieve? Dr. Murphy is still in therapy.
I wanted to understand him. His personal demons, his fears. It's all quite fascinating, really.
But you were a respected doctor. A brilliant resident in Arkham.
Can I have a drink? A strong one? This kind of question bores me.
I'm afraid not.
Interesting choice of words, Doctor. Tell me, what are you afraid of?
And then that moves it down to 5, which is nice. And that's also one of the reasons why you want to collect as much as you can.
This is Security Officer Cash. We are in the mansion and have encountered armed inmates. Please respond. Arkham Control, you copy?
So, no. Actually, that might be the way to go. Just get this, and then we can move on. Riddler trophy in here. And moving on.
What's wrong with this thing? Hello? Anyone?
Going after the notes yourself, eh, Bats? Good luck. I've got a crew working over the doctor as I speak. They'll squeeze the formula out of her soon enough. Not to mention the army of clowns ripping this place apart. One way or another, the formula will be mine. Why don't you just give up? Go on, for a little time.
As tempting as that is, I think, not yet. There we go. Is that all that's in here? Is that? Oh. Right. Oh, looks like there's a trophy over here. No? No trophy. Okay. Just random green lights.
Hold on! I think I've got it.
Yeah, you said that 10 minutes ago.
You can be the one to tell him. I'm not gonna.
It'll be open any second. Damn it!
You're an idiot. Joker's not gonna be happy, and you know what that means.
Quiet! Just shut up! I'm trying!
Shut it, I'm trying.
Whoops.
Joker's thugs were trying to get into that office.
It looks like they couldn't get through the main door. Got to find a different way in.
It's a weird ass looking main door. Ra's al Ghul. Little is known of the early years of the nearly immortal Ra's al Ghul, whose name means the demon's head, but it is known that he has lived for many centuries due to Lazarus Pit's mystical and alchemical brews that restores youth, a brilliant master of strategy and organization. Ra's al Ghul, Ra's al Ghul's goal is to save the Earth from ecological devastation by destroying most of its population. He recognizes Batman as both a worthy foe and a possible ally, except that Batman cannot accept his dystopic worldview. Batman also shares a love-hate relationship with Ra's daughter, the beautiful Talia.
Someone has already got to the safe. The only question now is, who opened it? No sign of forced entry. Whoever opened it knew the combination. Let's see.
Good. Dr. Young got to her notes before Joker. She's taken them to hide somewhere. I need to follow her and find out where she put them.
I'm losing patience. You're cheating. You must be.
Following the suspicious death of his multimillionaire parents in a fire, Roman Sionis inherited their fortune and then went on to bankrupt their company. Saved by a buyout by Bruce Wayne, Sionis came to resent and hate Wayne. Fixated on the concept of masks, Sionis carved one from his father's black coffin and sought revenge. His ensuing battle with the Dark Knight caused his mask to be burnt into his skin, remaking him as the Black Mask. Sionis is now a fear gang leader and one of the most powerful mob bosses in Gotham, with a burning hatred of the Batman. Alright. And with that, we'll call it an episode. Next time, following another detective trail. So until then,